Hello everyone, I'm Elin, and in this video I'm gonna speak English because I want to record some videos about how I learn English, because my English is not good, so sometimes I feel lazy, and so I want to force myself to study English at least every day 30 minutes. Yes, until one day when my English be well and then people can reference my videos. Boom! These videos are the proof about what I do for improving my English. So yes, it also can prove how much effort I do. Because before, when I started learning English, I always wish someone could tell me a correct way to learn. It's like level 1, level 2, level 3, and what I have to do, follow this step by step, and then at the end I can be like that, like a native speaker. But yeah, no one can promise you if you do these things you can be like them. It's not easy. It's not like if you do these things one day or 2, 1 month or a year, you can be like a native speaker. What you have to know, learn a language, is cannot by spending a short time. It's a long process. So I think that right now my English is not good. I think maybe you can know. If your English is good, you can see that my pronunciation is not good with heavy Chinese accent. So what I can do is force myself to study English and also record videos, and then these videos are like proofs for the future. If you want to learn English in the future, like from the beginning, and then you can know what I do. You can refer these videos. When I know someone's English ability is good and want to know what they did before, because I think that maybe if I follow what they did before and I can be like them, but actually it's wrong. Even I get the answers, I would not follow it. Yes, because I'm not sure if I do these things and I can be like them, because you cannot remember lots of details, but video can record all details. I also not sure my method is correct. It's good method. I'm not sure, but it can be proved in the future. Maybe after a year or after 2 years, it cannot be done by days. It will be done by years, because 5 years ago, because my English was so terrible, you cannot imagine. Like before, my English, I think that I only knew a few English vocabularies. It's including he, she, we, our, these simple words like candy, cake, apple, banana, orange. It's just simple words, which that I think that maybe children, they all know it. Before, I could not imagine that I can speak English. I can speak English right now, and I can communicate with foreigners. Otherwise, oh my god, before I really like to ask people, how to improve English, how to communicate with foreigners, and then what I can do for improving English, how to memorize English vocabularies. I also like to read and buy this kind of books, but always I put the books there on the table and never open it. I always feel that, oh, if I buy this book and then one day maybe I will read it, and then one day maybe my English will be good. But I only thought about these things in my mind. I didn't take action. Finally, I took actions until now. But yes, don't waste time. Let's learn English right now. So see you next time in next video, because I'm gonna learn English. Yeah, I wish you guys gonna be like a native speaker. Yes, because I also wish one day I could be. So see you next time. Bye. I want to tell you guys that my videos are not about how to teach you learning English. It's all about the process of learning English from me. If you feel alone, yes, lonely, and then you can click my videos and then put it aside, yes, and then study with me.